Hi, I'm Angela Clark, and I'm an educator for APQS, and today we're going to talk about ribbon candy. When you are quilting ribbon candy, you want to think about going around something like a quarter or a nickel on your surface. So I'm going to start out and go around a shape. And I'm going to think about going around a circular thing. And it's okay when you're practicing if you're not smooth. As you work, I always have to warm this one up when I'm doing it. It's not one that I'm going to just be able to do without warming up. So this is the importance of practice, right? That you actually want to go ahead and work the shapes. You want to work them in all different directions when you're learning to do this, right? And think about going around the same size circle every time you're doing it. It can help when you're practicing to draw circles, like put quarters down on the surface and actually draw around them and go around them so that you can start getting your ribbon candy to actually look circular when you're doing it. And that's all there is to ribbon candy, a lot of practice and going around circles.